Like the butterfly, manifesting from nature's intricate process of metamorphosis, the designer of vision so dramatically creates the transformational passing of forms or shapes into others, augmenting with color, texture, perspective, and ultimately harmony, without change to the core nature. As you take risks without compromise to embody work that is inspirational, uplifting, unobtrusively functional, yet speaks to a personal nature to all who experience it, and creates a lasting statement beyond the confines of space. It is that time for notoriety among peers, for recognition of excellence and clarity of purpose, for rewarding innovation of that creative vision true to itself. Designweave Commercial Carpet is proud to announce the first annual Designweave Monarch Design Award for outstanding achievement in the field of interior design utilizing Designweave products. An esteemed independent panel of 4 design professionals from the International Interior Design Association, the IIDA, will judge all entries and will elect the award recipient. Judging will be based on 4 areas of criteria: originality of design, creativity in combining Designweave products with interior furnishings, color composition, and suitability of design for project application. Entries for the competition will be accepted from January 1, 2001 through September 1, 2002. Final judging will take place Saturday, September 21, 2002. The winner of the Designweave Monarch Award will be announced Saturday, November 9, 2002, at the Monarch Award Banquet to be held in Los Angeles. In addition to the exquisite Crystal Monarch Trophy, the winner will receive the following: a cash prize of $2,500, a $1,500 donation to the charitable organization of the award winner's choice, and a one-time advertisement announcing the award recipient's honor will appear in Interior Design magazine. Designweave has made it easy to enter. Entry forms are available through your local Designweave account manager, or phone us direct at 877-224-7429 extension 8064. You'll also find the entry form on our website. Visit us at www.designweave.com. We invite you to enter and join the elite of design professionals. We look forward to an exciting competition for this, our inaugural Designweave Monarch Award. Together, we can transform a mere idea into an award-winning creative design. Good luck, and we hope to see you in Los Angeles at our first annual Monarch Award Banquet.